Somebody said, what do you think of the Battle of India? That's actually a very good point. Thank you for Sayyid Mia for reminding me. You know, people, I want to say something. Look, you know this Ghazwatul Hind. Ghazwatul Hind is inauthentic. There is no such thing, people. This hadith is made up. I'm telling you, there is no such thing as Ghazwatul Hind. Okay? We need to get off this kind of, you know, the battle, the great battle of India that is to come. And this fuels the kind of hatred that we are seeing right now in India. Seriously, this, because people, there are unfortunately cancerous elements out there that use this kind of stuff. And many Muslims fall victim to this propaganda of Ghazwatul Hind, the Dajjal, and the goddamn all this. This is a fabrication, people. These hadiths were fabricated during the time of Bani Umayyah, of the Umayyad dynasty, when they expanded into India. The Prophet never spoke of India. Behave. I mean, just think about it. This is, people impose so many things on the Prophet. It's ridiculous that if the Prophet was to speak of India, he was to speak of a war with India. I mean, what is wrong with people? And seriously, this is like, even, you know, this whole TV series that you've got, very popular, Sacred Games, and part 2, the season of it, it's focusing, even though it does show other elements and greater dynamics of politics at play, but this whole Ghazwatul Hind and a nuclear threat, and really this Hindu-Muslim rivalry, and Muslims kind of preaching this jihadi thing about Ghazwatul Hind, Ghazwatul Hind. This is a fabricated hadith, people. There is no such Ghazwa to happen. Okay, there is no Battle of India. Please, please, please stop this nonsense. Okay. So, right. So I hope that, so I'm really grateful for somebody for reminding me of that point. But I mean, you know, there are many good, you know, I don't want to just sound, because somebody had asked me, look, do you really believe the country is magnificent? I don't want to sound like there's no good elements in India. There are many positive people who aren't Muslim, and they are great human beings. There was a story of, just recently, I believe last week, there was a Sikh by the name of, I think his name was Harminder Singh, who really went out of his way to help. I think he helped something like 30 odd Kashmiri girls who were trapped in a particular thing to safety, and you know, potentially risking his own life. You get many stories, and you'll get many activists who will condemn all these atrocities. So don't get me, I don't want to get it twisted in saying that, look, there's many great people who do speak up for the voice of justice. And, you know, God bless them. That's what I'd say. What if Ghazwatul Hind is real and it happens? Get a life. Ghazwatul Hind is... The only way these things are going to happen is what people keep... It's a self-fulfilling prophecy. You keep pushing it, and then you trigger the people so much, and then you get this. What you're having right now. You know, fear-mongering, and then people will just turn in on the Muslims, and they will just massacre them. And that's what's going to happen. That is what is happening. You know, otherwise Hinduism, it has always been a religion of peace. Hinduism is a religion to do with nature. They have ahimsa. They have like the concept of non-violence. They have the concept of being at one with the earth. They were always a religion of tolerance. But you get people that preach this kind of, oh, Ghazwatul Hind, and then you tick off that many people, and then that's what happens. You see, you're going to get this kind of stuff. And I'm not blaming it just, I'm not saying this is just those people to blame, those kind of fanatics. But what I'm saying is, don't add fuel to the fire. That's, you know, don't kind of exacerbate the circumstances. So that's what I'm saying. So yeah, so I really wanted to say that.